There's my boat. Oh no! It's still night! And there's no beds around. I could make some shears if there were some Mareep. Do I have any Mareep? I believe I have some. I have one. And only one. Where is its ability? Ability. Technician. Oh. What is that? Oh, Bergamot. Do I only have the one Meowth? I thought I caught some more recently. Wait, is that a second Mareep? There he is. Technician. Boo. Where's that first Mareep? No, I have 3. Okay. Get my metals box out. I only have 2 iron left. I need to go mining again. Okay. Let me in. Let me out, rather. Okay. How was your midnight stroll? Yeah. It was agitated. This was meant to be. This was to be expected. Yet you seem to have met more resistance than chance would suggest. There's much yet which we don't understand. Give me time to reflect on this and come back. So what happens if I just? Does that recall you? Oh, I guess it does recall you. Okay. I need to make more Pokeballs. Was that enough time? Yes! I've reflected long. Yeah, enough time, right? On your misadventures in the forest, and illumination eludes me. Those grotesque caricatures of men are unlike anything I've ever seen. I can't understand their existence or purpose. There are, however, talks of demons in ancient Hindu epics that could relate to them. My solitary existence prevents me from keeping such expensive parchments, but you should be able to find them in Indian villages. And this is why we made that Indian building. I need a library of my own. The life of a sadhu has its drawbacks. Okay. I'm going to go to that mahal over there and be back when I'm over there. Still can't believe I got a Suicune. The last shot. Nice. Ooh, can I jump in? Mm, 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 mm. No. What? A Gomf spawned? In a birch forest? Okay, first of all, I turned off normal spawning of villages. And second of all, it spawned in a birch forest? Is this because of the creation quest? Ah, the Sadhu needs to grade Hindu epics. It is an honor to let him take the copy I have. So, yeah. That's interesting. Not sure why that happened. Anyways, welcome back, fellow fans. Welcome. The continuing story of the Millionaire story. The continuing series of the Millionaire story? Yes, let's go with that. That's better. So we are currently doing the Indian creation story because I've never done it, and also because someone somehow lucked out and got the rare Sadhu to spawn without starting the quest. It's a possibility. You can do it, but it's very rare. I need to get out of this forest. Where's some torches where's some flint and steel when you need it? I was heading back to my mahal, which I only built for the quest, and now possibly the quest creates its own village? Either that or someone got their hands on a summoning wand and summoned the village without telling me, which is a very good possibility. I'm going to have a word with the other devs and... Oh, hello. And see if that's actually a thing that happens.
Slow.
For some reason, trainers are very rare. I don't understand it. I need more trainers because I need more monies. The other people on the server say that trainers aren't the method to acquire money, that it's to sell
Slow.
things at Pokemarts, but that can't be right. Oof, one HP left. Let's find out breaks in. Dead. Oh, he killed my Slowpoke. Oh. Golett? That darn pursuit. Ghost. Doesn't affect him. Ground. Does affect him. 44 bucks. Nice. Golett has grown to level 34. What level does he evolve at? I thought it was 34. Oh, no, that was Rowlet. Okay, come on. So yes, this is Melanera, but it's also Pixelmon. Hence the break to battle that trainer. Ow. For some reason, Decidueye... I thought there was more treetops. Anyways, as I was saying, for some reason, Decidueye doesn't let you ride him, and that is extremely upsetting. Golurk better let you ride him. Super upsetting. What? You're in my bed! What? Get a screenshot of that. Now we gotta sleep in the same bed. Hello. Proceed with quest. Go meditate. Right, meditate. Okay, done meditating. Oh, get this. I killed a Voltorb, and he dropped Pokeball pieces of Voltorb. Hilarious. Get some of those vines. Okay, great epics are a source of wisdom in this world like the old one. Many great heroes and gods fought against demons in the old times, and the knowledge of their prowess will surely help protect you against evil in this dark world. I believe I can use this knowledge to protect you, but I will need to fast to purify myself first. While I prepare myself, I want you to continue your work and gather information on this world's barren wastelands where humans rarely go. Maybe we'll meet less opposition there. Go and explore the first desert you find like you've explored the forest. Seriously? Report findings. Oh, I just need two cacti. Let's just screenshot that. And two sugar canes. Okay, I have that at home. Actually, I think I saw some. Yes, there is some right over here. Oh, a Phantom! But I already have one, so let's just kill it. Oh, Suicune? Yeah, sure, why not? I wonder what he drops. Wood. Iron sword? Oh, he gave me a sword. How nice of him. Cactus. Cactus. Sadhu is right here. Desert. Desert. These are just beaches with no cacti.
Ladybug.
First desert's down there, but I might as well just go home because I've got cacti at home. And then I can clean out my
Ladybug.
inventory while I'm there.
Ladybug.
I might as well just go home.
Ladybug.
What is that? Oh, it's a gun tank. I was looking at it backwards.
Ladybug.
Home, home, home. Seriously? You gonna do me like that? Okay, you guys don't want to see this. I'm gonna be back as soon as I get home, clean out my inventory, and grab some cacti. No. In fact, I'm gonna return once I get back from the Sadhu. I am not gonna walk all the way back. I'm not gonna record walking all the way back. Ow, ow. Okay, be right back, fellow fans. Is that a middle finger? That mountain's flipping me off. Okay, and we are back. And, normally I would have this here. There we go. And I cooked down some iron bases. Got some 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. And we've got some tops. Was it here? Let's see. We got some lure balls. We got some pokeballs. And we got some dusk balls. Let's do as many dusk as we can and the rest in poke. Nice. We've got those. Oh, let's put this here. We're just cleaning out my inventory. And, yeah, let's get going. I also, hatched a few chickens. Tried to get them in that hole so when they grow up I can kill them. And sell them to the Indians. Oops. While cleaning out my inventory, I also put all the held items on Pokemon so that I don't have to put them anywhere and I can store them in the PC. Storing them in the PC is really handy. Let's head back. Bandits and Sadhu.